Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back here with our S8 Ultra Plus smartwatch, and as you requested, we are going to check on one of the features here in the smartwatch. So what is that feature? We are going to check on the Bluetooth music of the wearable. Okay, so we are going to try, okay, and control the music on our smartphone. Okay, so let's open our support app. Okay, so we are using the HRY Fine application. So we are still connected. Let's check. Okay, so we are connected. Okay, let's check if we do have the settings here for the music control. Okay, so let's see. Okay, seems like we are connected. So let's check here. Okay, cannot operate without a phone. Let's go and check here. Nope. Okay, if that is the case, let's go here on the Bluetooth section. Check on the Bluetooth here. Okay, let's refresh. Let's see if we do have here. So we have here the S8 Ultra. So we have to connect this manually. Tap on it. It's no pairing. So allow access to contacts and call history. Pair. And it's now connecting and pairing. Let's see. Okay, we are connected. So we have here phone calls. Okay, so this is the most important thing, the media audio. So we are connected to the media audio here. Okay, so go back to your smartwatch. Okay, tap on this. Okay, so as you can see, we are paired now. Okay, so let's see. I'm not going to open the music player here. Okay, I'm just going to press this directly. Let's see if we can play the music. Okay, as you can see, it works. Next. Stop. Next. 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 Go back. So there's no option to adjust the volume here. If you want to adjust the volume, I guess you have to use your smartphone. Okay, so that's it. So the Bluetooth music works for the smartwatch. Okay, so how about the other one? Let's see. We have a photo control. Let's see if this thing works. Bluetooth camera. Okay, let's see. I guess you have to open the camera here. It works. Shake to take pictures. Okay. Okay, so I think I need to adjust something. Again, let's go to our Bluetooth connectivity here. Let's see. Here's the camera control. Okay. Here. Shake to take pictures. I guess you have to shake it very hard. Or maybe, let's see. Maybe, okay. So we have here, and add again. So let's check on the device settings. Maybe there's a camera setup here. Oh, okay. So adjust. Okay, so this one. you have to use the built-in camera of the application. Okay, so it works as you can see again. Okay, so the Bluetooth camera and the music control function of the smartwatch works. Okay, so for the camera, you have to use the camera built-in camera of the application here, HRY Fine application. Okay. Okay, so that's it for the camera control as well as the Bluetooth music function of the S8 Ultra Plus smartwatch or the S8 Ultra smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the video tutorial, please drop a comment below. And of course, we'll try to answer your question if we do have that time. Bye.